It's the 26th of June 2023 and Nvidia Shield users might have noticed in the UK the live category has now appeared on the main menu. If you're watching this video as a short, tap on the thumbnail right now to see the full video. If you're already watching the full video, hold tight, more details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So over last weekend, some Nvidia Shield users may have noticed the live tab appeared, and they might have noticed here a little caption on the screen saying free live TV channels. Watch more than 800 free TV channels featuring live news, movies, shows and more. No subscription required. And then you've got to see what's on or dismiss. Now if you go to the see what's on, then that will take you into the free live TV category, which is in actual fact Google TV from Google themselves. And at the moment this features quite a number of channels, but no UK specific channels as I understand. At the moment there are different categories here. There's 77 Google TV channels, 29 popular, 65 movies, 39 news, 33 crime, 17 hit TV shows, 31 classic TV, 58 reality, 53 sports, 11 game shows, 31 comedy, 63 entertainment, 15 home, 16 food, 26 nature, 29 lifestyle, 32 daytime, 18 gaming, 32 new to Google, 32 children, 48 music, 89 Spanish, 47 international and 153 local channels. Now it does look as if most of these channels are US based channels and obviously foreign channels. As I say, there are none at the moment that are UK specific, but I imagine there are some in the pipeline. Other Android devices are likely to be getting this soon. These are devices with Android TV and Google TV installed on them. But obviously they are launching this to different devices at different times. So it's quite possible that yours may not have it yet. If you haven't got it, then it's always worth going into your settings and try to update your device to make sure that it's running the latest software, and check back again to see whether live has appeared. If it hasn't, then check back on the updates regular and hopefully some point in the near future the live tab will appear. Now it does look as if a lot of the live channels are linked to Plex, Pluto, Tubi and Paramount, which basically means you do need to have the specific app installed. Like for instance on my Google TV here, let's go into Pluto Spotlight. Let's just try and look at this program here. And there we go. It prompts me to install Pluto TV to enable me to be able to watch that program. And once it's installed, it should start playing. Now I've got to say I haven't got a Shield, so I'd like to say thank you to Daryl on Twitter who has told me about this and provided me some screenshots and some information. Thank you very much for all your assistance in creating this video. But the channels that are on there, if they're comparable to my Google TV, then they're probably not going to be class A channels, but there's some stuff on here. None of them are going to have originals, I don't think, but there's some great stuff on here. I mean, there's a lot of great films. By no means are some of these B-rated movies. They're older movies, but they're not B-rated by any standard. The same with the TV series. You know, there's a lot of TV series from early this century, the 70s, the 80s and the 90s, and even some further back. The service is completely funded through advertising, so doesn't require a subscription. In some cases, as I said earlier, it might well require you to install a small app. All of the apps that it requires you to install are all available on the App Store, all fully legal, all fully been checked out by Google to ensure that they are malware and virus free. So there you go, a great extra there for Nvidia Shield users. Live TV comes to the UK finally. Like I say, you might not have this on your Shield yet because they are sort of drip feeding it out to everybody so as not to swamp the market and plague their support desk with loads of questions, loads of problems. So keep checking your Nvidia Shield, and hopefully at some point in the very near future, the live TV tab will come to you too if it's not there already. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos on my YouTube channel covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here at my YouTube channel, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you're in the market for a new VPN or a Fire TV stick or Fire TV stick accessories, then have a look in the description down below. I've got some links with some great deals. Buying through the links in the description below really does help this channel. It helps me to dedicate more time to making these great videos for you.